What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs, and today I'm going to show you how to do some maintenance on a 2007 Honda Civic. We're going to do the upper and lower hoses, the thermostat, as well as the coolant temp sensor. So if you're a new subscriber to this channel, please consider subscribing. Also hit that bell notification on top, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting the channel. Let's get started. First, I lift the car. This can also be done on the driveway with ramps. Then, we locate the petcock. This petcock allows us to drain our coolant from our radiator. Using a catch pan allows us to properly seize every ounce of coolant from our vehicle. Side note, antifreeze is extremely toxic to animals and has a sweet taste, so properly dispose of at your local auto store and clean up any spills. We lower our catch pan to safely lower our vehicle. That way we can start removing our thermostat, hoses, and sensor. We need to remove 4 clips, 2 on the front and 1 on each side. By removing this plastic piece, we will gain enough access to remove our upper radiator hose. Using pliers ensures that we can just press our radiator hose clamps, which release the holding force on our hose. Now we can just give it a tug and it'll pull right out. We repeat the same step to remove our hose clamp. The reason we removed our plastic was to gain access to this clamp. Here is our thermostat. There should be 5 10mm bolts to remove, 2 holding the bracket on the thermostat, and 3 mounting the thermostat on the engine. After removing the bolts, the thermostat should pop right off. We raise our vehicle to get access to our lower hose and clamp. We're going to put this petcock back in the meantime, and we're going to remove the lower hose. So we're going to remove this under shield, and then we can get access to the lower hose. Now we use a bungee cord to pull back and secure our shield while we work. We use a hose clamp tool, link in the description below, to remove the hose clamp. And now we work our hose with a flathead screwdriver. This will assist us in our removal. We separate our thermostat housing from the lower hose. You may need to twist the housing from the hose. It may be stuck due to time. We reinstall our lower hose and clamp it securely to our radiator. Yep. Alrighty guys, so now we're going to install the thermostat onto the Honda Civic. This is very easy. You can't really mess this up. So usually this opening right here, the gasket has to sit right in here. Right? And then now what you have is these 2 little dog ears, and they sit in a specific spot where those dog ears are. Right there, you can see the little dog ear. One there, and one over there on this side. So you're gonna line up these 2 dog ears with that. So we're gonna put it in there, and it only goes one way. And then press it in. Now all we gotta do is reinstall the thermostat to that lower hose there and put in back the bolts. After installing our thermostat housing, we torque our bolts to 8 foot-pounds. Then we tighten back our harness to the thermostat housing. Now we install our upper hose and securely clamp the hose clamps to both ends. Here we locate our coolant temp sensor. We use a 17mm socket to remove the sensor. Then we reinstall our new sensor and give it a snug turn. To wrap everything up, I use an easy spill funnel. Link will be in the description below. I find the correct fittings and attach my funnel. I pour 1.5 gallons of antifreeze, then I start my vehicle, turn the heat on high. This allows the cooling system to bleed any air that's in my system. Hey guys, so that concludes our episode on how to change the upper and lower hoses, the thermostat, and the coolant temp sensor on the 2007 Honda Civic. We test drove it, everything works fine. The temperature gauge rises to where it should be, no overheating, thermostat clicks open, and it runs good. So hope you all enjoyed that episode. Alrighty guys, so if you're new to this channel and you like this episode as well as my previous episodes before, if you happen to see them, please make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as hit the bell notification on top. And for my returning subscribers, thank you all is appreciated. Like I said, you can visit my website, www.corollacustoms.com. I'll leave the link placard up here. You can click on it. Also, if you want, I have some t-shirts available from Corolla Customs. It's for the Chevy Avalanche guys. Whoever likes him or whoever thinks they're cool, you know, pick him up. It goes to a good cause. Every single ounce of that proceed does go to St. Jude Hospital. So make sure and support those kids if you can. If you can, it's all good. But let's see what we can raise for these guys. Peace.